Let's learn how to slice and dice your panoramas into the perfect pieces ready to post on Threads. When you're swiping left to right on Threads, it's got a very smooth looking swipe. Everything's connected, so it looks really great for panoramas. Even panorama time lapses you can do this with. And it's really a breeze once you know the numbers and follow the guidelines. Ready to jump into Photoshop? Let's do this. We're here in the command center of Photoshop, and our first mission is cropping. With Threads, you can post square, landscape, and portrait images, but today we're going to be slicing and dicing this landscape panorama vertically into 5 segments. Essentially, we're just going to be making 5 different portrait photos in the 3x4 size. When you put them all together, your followers can now swipe through and behold the entire panorama in all its glory. So I find that 3x4 has the most visual impact on Threads these days, and with this method it's very easy to chop it into as many segments as you like if you need some different resizing options. So we want to get this portrait aspect ratio into 1070 pixels wide by 1424 pixels tall. So time to do a little math. You just multiply that 1070 by however segments you want. Now with that number in mind, it's time to crop our image using the crop tool. You'll find the width and height settings right up top. You type in 53 by 50 pixels by 1424 pixels and hit enter. Now your image is all set and ready for the next step. It's time to slice and dice, and Photoshop, our trusty sidekick, has an automatic function for this. Under View, select New Guide Layout and set it to create 5 columns with width and gutter set to 0. Bam, you've got your evenly divided vertical segments now. Next, grab the Slice tool from the Crop tool menu and click the option that says Slices from Guides. Instantly, your image gets sliced into 5 equal parts. Now that you've got your slices, it's time to export these bad boys. You head over to File, down to Export, and hit Save for Web. Now you'll need to select all of your slices, and you grab them all, set your quality to 100. I always get the best, and after that, hit Save, and save these images to your desired location. And voila, there you have it, 5 perfectly sized images ready to be posted on Threads. You make sure to upload them in the right order for perfect panorama effect. Just remember, the key to getting this right is the recommended pixel dimension for posting on Threads. Also, there's a new feature I saw if you want to keep your images and videos from being downloaded by other users, which is probably a good thing to be doing. It's in the settings here, you click this button, and now supposedly your images are maybe a little more protected. It's always a gamble, so you can watermark, scribble, do whatever you need to do to get that paranoia at bay. So that's it for today's tutorial. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, take care.